Welcome back to Tam's Tips. If I'm only cutting a few onions, I don't feel like it's worth getting the big chopper out. Seems like it takes longer to clean the chopper machine. Got my onions here that are pre-washed. And this is the trick, I think, to getting the skin off. What I'm gonna do is start on the edge. And as I cut down, I don't stop. I'm gonna use my knife to hold that skin and then peel. Okay, scoot that out of the way or into the discard. Then on the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna cut down, keep cutting and hold while I rip this one off, making a full break right there between the skin. Then it makes it easy just to simply use the knife and grab off that outside edge. And it kind of just rolls off here, if I can get it, like that. Sometimes I've spent time trying to pick that off and it gets into little tiny pieces like that, and it's just so annoying, right? Continuing on with how I like to cut onions, I always say that God is great because He already cut onions one way. And since onions are used so much, that's lucky for us. So anyway, I just slice them down. If I'm doing small onions, I will put my hands like this. Okay. And then cut it in half. Usually I'm using a little bit bigger knife, but that's all right. Okay, so now I've got little halves, and I just do about 4 tiers at the same time and cut them into pieces. And I feel like that goes quick and I don't have to clean a cutter. Join me next time on another Tam's Tips.